Hello everyone, it's the Organized Homemaker, or Claudia as everyone calls me. Welcome to my home. I want to wish you the warmest greetings for the seasons, and I hope that even though we cannot all get together, that you will still find ways to make the most of this holiday. I'm day 6 of the 14 days of Christmas, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of my favorite side dishes. It is made with pomegranates, which are very plentiful this time of year, as well as carrots. It is finished off with a maple glaze and chopped chives, as well as fresh thyme leaves. It is super simple, and I'm actually going to show you my cheating version of how to make this today. So if you don't want to miss it, stay tuned. We're going to preheat our oven to 425. And while it's heating, we'll prep our carrots for the oven. Let's review our ingredients. We're going to have carrots cut into French fry sized pieces, adobo, arils from pomegranates, olive oil, honey, maple syrup, cayenne pepper, this is made from my garden, fresh thyme from the garden, and chives also from my garden. We are going to add these all together in this bowl, stir nicely, and put on a cookie sheet and bake for 20 minutes the first time. Take them out, stir them, put them back in, bake them again for another 10 minutes or until tender, but fork tender, and remove from the oven. After they're removed from the oven and we're ready to serve them, they should be served hot. We will take the leaves off the thyme stems and cut these chives at an angle, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. So when the fries are too big, or if they were too big, this is probably okay. Let me take another one. Like this one. I would take it like so. So our recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons olive oil or canola oil. I will let you know that it's best to actually pour your oil before honey. Doing so allows the honey to slide right off the spoon. If you do the honey first, you have a hard time getting the honey off of the spoon. So that's 1 tablespoon. Two tablespoons oil. And let's add the honey. One. You can see the honey is all gone because we did the oil first. So we've got our oil, our honey, and our maple syrup. We now need to add our cayenne pepper. and that's enough. Mix well. I just use a fork. And we pour over our carrots. We'll stir so that the carrots are nicely coated. And so far it's looking pretty plain, right? Just some carrots with the glaze on them. And you can actually cook these up and serve them just like this if you're not a fan of pomegranates. I cooked up, I can't even tell you how many pounds of these for a wedding once. And we didn't do the pomegranates. We just served them like this with the thyme leaves, and it was absolutely delicious. I mean, not after they're cooked, of course. Okay, so here's my cookie sheet. I'm going to spray it with a cooking spray. And all I do is I put them in a thin layer on the baking sheet, like so. Let's prep the thyme and the chives. To remove the leaves from the thyme, you hold it and pull it down this way. If you pull it this way, it's going to actually pull the stem off. You want to pull the leaves off. Let me show you. Hold it like so, and you pull all the leaves off. Try it again, go closer, leaves are off. All done, without the stick. The carrots are finished cooking, and now we're going to finish it up. We're going to add our pomegranate arils right before serving. Our fresh thyme leaves. I wish you all were in my kitchen right now to smell this. It smells so good.